Hi. Welcome to the 5 Best Review. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best multimeter to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the INNOVA hands-free meter. This high-end multimeter options from INNOVA stands out from the rest mainly because of 2 reasons. First, it is made by a reputable manufacturer who has made the best industrial multimeter before. Secondly, it's one of the best multimeter you can ever come across for home use. For beginners, INNOVA is the perfect meter you need if you want to make a name in the electronic engineering field. You can use INNOVA in solving household problems such as car batteries failure because it is an auto-ranging multimeter. Therefore, with it, you don't need to dial in the correct range in electronic measurements. This INNOVA high-end multimeter comes with include AAA batteries, alligator clips, holders, carry strap, test leads, and a stand for hands-free use. Its capability to test AC and DC voltage, resistance, and diodes. Features: it has a UL certification, single setting resistance function, auto shut-off feature. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Fluke electrical digital multimeter. After reviewing a couple of dozen multimeters on the market, we decided that Fluke is the best one. I believe that Fluke 87V HVAC Pros Enable is the best multimeter brand for the money buys for any electrician. Fluke Multimeter, being a leader in the electronic tool market, has developed high-quality products since its conception. They have made a reputation by delivering exactly what they promise as per the needs of the consumer. The Fluke 87V HVAC Pros Digital Multimeter is their latest release and comes with auto-ranging capabilities that allow it to be used in various situations. When you purchase this electrician's tool multimeter, you will enjoy many benefits over other digital multimeters on the market, with one major benefit being able to take accurate readings on a consistent basis. It tests voltage, resistance, and current on AC and direct current circuits. Features: accurate frequency measurement, durable and sturdy, great customer service. Coming up next. In third place we have the Klein Tools multimeter. Klein Tools DC-AC voltage digital multimeter with a highest rate input resistance would still be impressive even at double its price thanks to its great functionalities. At less than $100, it's simply incredible. Klein Tools is the best multimeter on the market today, is suitable for anyone who works with electronics or automobiles. Do not let the low price tags fool you into thinking that it is a standard meter just like the rest in its price category. Klein Tools is durable, user-friendly, and boasts an array of multimeter features. Besides, it can detect nearly anything you will need such as circuit breakers, cords, cables, outlets, wires, switches, and lighting fixtures with an ideal digital multimeter, including AC-DC voltage resistance, capacitance, and the duty cycle of batteries. Couple this with the fact that it can easy to read thermocouple and you have a winner for almost any applications. Features: great digital display, good build quality. It is affordable. Now moving to the number 4. XDEC Auto-Ranging Mini Multimeter. This model is small but mighty. The XDEC multimeter offers a wide range of functions and features in a travel-friendly package. But with a Cat 3 safety rating, the XDEC multimeter is ready to take on anything from the largest of home electrical jobs to most commercial uses as well. A built-in AC voltage detector combined with auto-ranging technology makes it easy to take consistent, reliable measurements in a flash with the XDEC, and a resolution down to 3 decimal places ensures great accuracy too. Protected by an all-around rubber holster, the XDEC is a powerful and durable little machine that will be at home in anyone's toolbox. It's not the most affordable multimeter that you'll find, but if you're looking for a UL certified product that's somewhere between our top and premium choice picks, the XDEC is a great choice. Features: built-in non-contact AC voltage detector, transmitter and receiver snap together for easy storage, rubber holster protects meter. In the 5th position we have the Astro AI digital multimeter. Astro AI is a complete setup of the digital system used to measure current as well as resistance and voltage in the wire or socket. This is the BestMultimeter in its digital form, used to control, and, solar PV troubleshoot, and other electrical problems. This has the sound system to check the transistor and diode. The Astro AI entirely made with easy assembly and setting. It has the power to use with an easy for electricity measure. A good display with its efficient LCD system helps for work. The data hold system also places in the multimeter of Astro AI. So, the small in its size always helps to work in a conventional way for better and improved results. The Astro AI works in the dual fused form for proper use and natural burn functions. The Astro AI merely is best overall for electronics to test and easy hold up the alternating current with its regular functions in all settings. Always set and check the background before use for measuring electricity. Best to measure volt, current, and resistance accurately. Features: good multimeter. Efficient for electrical measure. Best in quality with precise size. Thanks for being with us throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right BestMultimeter. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.